Okay, so this is where things get really interesting in Rank Hacker. This is the reveal stage. So you've already gone through all these other steps, you've targeted your competitors, and now you need to reveal the overall SEO strategies of your competitors. So you'll look at your final keyword phrases that you have here, and you can expand this down further, okay, to see your competitors. It's not necessary to do that right away, because even with it collapsed, you can just click the reveal button. So let's go ahead and do that. You'll have a choice here. Now, if you click yes, you want to classify the content, that will not only give you the SEO content strategy of the competitors in regards to how much content they're building for a specific keyword phrase every month, but it'll also classify those backlinks. So it won't just give you a number of, let's say, 10 backlinks per month, content backlinks per month for the word fountains, but it will tell you what types, such as it's an infographic, it's a press release, it's a blog, it's a citation, or whatever. So you can click yes if you want to do that. Just know that these reports do take quite a bit of time to complete, so you have to be patient. You need to come back. If you click no, it'll just give you a number. It'll tell you, for example, 10 backlinks per month, and that will be a much quicker report to run. It's up to you on how much time that you have. In this case, we'll just click the no button. So once that is completed, you'll want to click the refresh button, and then you'll see that the data has completed. And then if you want to see what that looks like, you can actually expand it, and for each competitor it will show the amount of monthly content that they're building, and which is great. There's no other tool that can provide this this type of information of how much monthly content they're building every single month for a specific phrase. So we look at all the backlinks over the last 12 months. That's a 12-month look back window that were built for each one of these competitors. And we have a custom script that goes through and analyzes all of the backlinks, and it looks for this exact word fountains in the content. And if it's found, we flag that as accurate and correct and relevant. And that's what we're looking at. So in this case, you'll see that this company is doing one piece of content per month, because we take all the content within the last 12 months and divide by 12. So we get a monthly average. This company is doing 6 per month, and then fountains.com is doing 19 pieces of content per month. So it's going to rapidly move up in the ranks because of that. So that's how you use this tool, and it's very important. If you would have clicked yes on reveal content types, all of this data would also be populated, where it'd tell you not just 19 pieces of content per month are built, but it would tell you 2 press releases, 1 directory. It would tell you, 4 e-commerce, 3 news. It would tell you exactly what types of content those are. But those reports do take some time. So if you want to do it quicker, you run a report like this, and then you can just simply click this download button. And when you click that download button, it will complete within a few minutes. Let me see if I can pull it up here. And it'll actually show you the breakdown of the competitors, not the competitors, but publications that are having the backlinks pointed to the competitor URLs, right? So you have the full backlink list of where these were published, and it tells you all that you need to know if you want to have your outreach teams now go after those same backlinks and earn those same backlinks that your competitors. This is a great way to reverse engineer exactly what your competitors have done. Now, if you would have clicked reveal content types, it would also tell you the type of content here in this phrase. But getting back to the main keywords here, let's go and expand wall fountains, and let's look at the competitors and how much content they're building. What we recommend that you do is try to go after the most competitive person, the one that's building the most content each month on page 1 of Google, because that's the rising star. That's the one that's going to end up overshadowing the guys at the top. Right now, the guys at the top are doing 0 pieces of content per month, but they might have older domains, they might have a lot more backlinks, there may be a lot of reasons why they're ranking higher. But in this case, Soothing Walls is doing 8 pieces of content per month. So in order to set your monthly goal of how many you should be doing, you could go down here. Instead of untoggling these, which could mess up your forecast and your projections, you can just override the content goal down here. And you can do that by selecting the lock and just unlock it. Type in your new content goal and hit enter. And once you do that, you'll see that it's changed. And now the content goal of the competitors is 8. And it's detected for you, fountains.com, you're only doing 1. So 8 minus 1 per month is 7. So now the overall goal, the content goal that you need to be doing every month is 7 in order to compete with the most aggressive guy on page 1 of Google. So that's the way we recommend to do it, to make sure that you're always trying to stay ahead of the most aggressive person that's on page 1 of Google, because they're going to be rising up. So now you have your content goal, and that's one of the most important things about this screen, the reveal screen, is trying to get to these content goals that you'll need to fulfill each month in order to outrank your competitors. Once you're done with that, you'll want to go to the next tab, which is Take Action.